Hello everyone, my name is Lizelle Grace and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today, we will be tackling about real estate in the Philippines. Analysis of real estate market in the Philippines. The Philippines real estate market has been penetrated with high investments arising from the presence of both domestic and international players in the market. The Philippines real estate market is expected to post revenues of $1 billion by 2022 due to the increasing urbanization and expansion in the real estate construction projects. So the demand is expected to rise due to the growth in the number of multinational companies and a number of business process outsourcing or BPOs. Is it good to invest in real estate in the Philippines? Real estate investing in the Philippines is a great option, especially because the business is booming and delivers fantastic profits. Furthermore, the country's stable economy and continual expansion make real estate investments an excellent way to build your money. The Philippines remains an ideal investment destination as investors and businesses continue to look at the country to grow their businesses despite the pandemic. Why is it important to invest in properties in the Philippines? Living from a long distance is a significant hardship for Filipino expats, or what we call OFWs, or overseas Filipino workers, who work across seas away from their families and nation. Overseas Filipino workers are regarded as a modern day heroes because they make significant sacrifices to offer a better life for those they leave behind at home. But what best way to grow their money than invest it in the Philippines? With all their efforts, practically all OFWs want to spend their money wisely so that they may create a nice life for their families and be reunited as soon as possible. One way individuals might do is by putting their hard earned money into solid investments, such as purchasing a property in the Philippines. With its low risk and high return potential, real estate is one of the best investment options. According to Lamudi, a real estate platform, the first quarter of 2021 reports the demand for houses outside of the metro increased by 21% compared to the first half of 2020. This is motivated by a desire to invest in a home setting that fosters a safe and comfortable lifestyle. A real estate investment transformed into a permanent home and one where the entire family may feel safety, comfort, and stability. Again, with its low risk and high return potential, real estate is one of the best investment options as it provides a safety net against inflation as property values rise over time. Income creation is one of the most important aspects for horizontal property investors, in addition to having a permanent residence. Reasons why you should invest in real estate. When you want a more elegant approach, the dynamic presence of Pantone Very shines as the star of the show in this palette of classics and neutrals whose understated stylishness conveys a message of timeless sophistication. So most young Filipinos choose to invest in townhouse in the metro, as townhouses provide a more practical approach to enjoy a life of independence and leisure. So to cite the reasons, first, value increases over time. When you spend money on automobiles or devices, their value usually begins to diminish the minute you buy them. In the case of real estate, though, it is the other way around. Value of estate rises with time. Real estate assets in the Philippines benefit from a gain in value. particularly in metropolitan areas with a growing population. Given that you chose the correct location, you may anticipate the value of your investment in buildings such as townhouses and condominiums for sale to rise and grow in the coming years. It is a safe and yet lucrative investment. In an unpredictable world, real estate investing may provide you with assurance and peace of mind. Although there are some setbacks at the moment, you can still expect it to expand in the long run. Furthermore, unlike other investment options that need extensive business expertise, even first timers may benefit from real estate prospects with difficulty, especially with the assistance of reputable real estate firms in the Philippines. Third reason, you are in full control of your investment. Real estate investing does not provide you with a parcel of land that imposes constraints. If you purchase real estate, you will have a physical asset over which you will have complete control. You may convert your property into a source of passive income. You may also use it for storage, which is very useful if you have other enterprises. You may, of course, live in it, and if desired, sell it at a greater price when market price arise. The last but not the least, flexible payment terms. As a result of the pandemic, real estate developers devise payment options that are more flexible and easy for investors. Unlike in the past when a down payment was the sole choice for purchasing property assets, real estate developers now provide a variety of payment alternatives for investors to select from. Here are the key takeaways. Real estate investing in the Philippines is a great option, especially because the business is booming and delivers fantastic profits. Furthermore, the country's stable economy and continual expansion make real estate investments an excellent way to build your money. To know more about this, you can message me through the details that I posted here. You could also contact me on my seller's portal or even in my FB page, choose SMDC for investment. You could also message me through Viber, WhatsApp, and my smart phone number. Please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Have a great day.